Hi! In front of me is iPhone SE 2022 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to access calendar and pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. Now click on this plus icon at the top right corner and customize your event however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick location over here, pick starting hour or ending one, but you can also disable this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day. Choose repeat and select one of those options like every week, take notes, and even invite people from your contact book over here. When you're ready, just add at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you need to click on it over here and then just edit at the top right corner as well. Following that, make your changes. I will go with repeat for example and select never and tap on done at the top right corner. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!